Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to disable 12 innocent looking apps which slowing down your PC in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So firstly, you have to go the search bar and write here appwiz.cpl. Now hit enter. From here, you have to choose and uninstall the application which you don't use actually. So the first application I'll be suggesting you to delete is if you have QuickTime. Search here QuickTime. I don't have QuickTime, but if you have QuickTime applications here, I'm repeating QuickTime application. If you find this, then you must delete this because you don't have any use of it. Okay. Second is you have to find here CCleaner. I'm repeating again CCleaner. If you find CCleaner application here, you must uh, uh, right click on that specific application and you have to uninstall that. Okay, I don't have CCleaner here, that's why I'm not showing you. But if you find CCleaner application in this AppWitch or app suggestions, then you have to uh, uninstall that software. Thirdly, I'm gonna talking about is uTorrent. Many of us use uTorrent for movies or pirate any kind of software. So how you can use it? If this is a very bad software for the computer because it may harm your PC or it can be hacked your PC. This is a vulnerable software, so you can delete this by clicking on that specific application name and just click uninstall. So I'm suggesting you, repeating again, you have to uninstall uTorrent if you have any. Then I'm gonna talking about is Adobe Flash Player or Shockwave Flash Player. If you find any Adobe Flash Player or any kind of Flash Player, you have to uninstall that thing if you don't use it basically. The fifth application I'm gonna talking about is Silverlight. Let's find if I have Silverlight here. No, I don't have Silverlight, but if you find any application named Silverlight, I suggest you to delete that or uninstall that software for your computer from your computer. Okay, so six is all toolbars. Sometimes we use Yahoo all toolbars or any kind of toolbars. So if you find that all toolbars application, you must delete this software. Then I'm gonna talking about manufacturer bloatware. If you find any manufacturer bloatware, like you are using HP laptop and you'll find many kind of manufacturer bloatware or related software, what you don't use actually. So you have to delete that software by clicking on that specific application and uninstall. Then also you have to delete Windows bloatware. If you find any Windows bloatware, you must delete that software. Then I'm gonna talking about Apple apps. If you find any Apple applications, you must delete that software if you don't have any iPhone or any kind of Apple products. Okay. So next I'm gonna talking about is Bonjour. We know all of this software named Bonjour. This is a very common software we use in our um, application or Windows. You have to just install that software because that's not much profitable or that not much healthy software for us, so you have to delete that software. Then I'm going to talking about multiple browsers. Many of us using multiple browsers like Google Chrome, then Microsoft Edge, then Brave browser. We don't need too much browsers. Okay, that slows down your PC. So if you use only Google Chrome, you must delete that Microsoft Edge. How you can delete this? Right click and click on uninstall and it will be deleted. Okay guys, then I'm gonna talking about the last application, unwanted applications. Just screen the application, and if you find any application which is uh, unwanted or which application you don't know directly, so you can delete that software. Like that, I don't know, this VMware workstation, I think this is vulnerable or third-party application. I just simply click on change, then click on uninstall. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.